This is Terra Delyssa first cold pressed organic extra virgin olive oil. So this is a 1 liter bottle. It's organic and the bottle is dark colored, so it will keep it fresh. And my family have been using this oil for like 3-4 years and we are all happy with it. We use it on everything. We do stir fries, we do salad, we do barbecues, all kinds of oil daily use. We're using this oil because this is the first cold press extra virgin, so it means that you probably get the best quality of the oil that you can consume. So let's open the bottle. And here it got a little nozzle. Let's get some oil out. It's very easy to pour because of the nozzle. You won't get any drip. And you check the oil, check the color. It's very good. And you just smell it. And you just get olive smell. It's very good. And when you're cooking, it doesn't affect what you do. For example, if you do barbecues or stir fries, I don't think the oil, the smell will ruin your dishes. It's very delicious, whatever we do. And the origin of this oil is the Tunisia. It's the North African. I think the African, probably the land is the best for growing. I think environmental or pollution issues will be less severe in the Africa. That's my own opinion. So we love this oil. We use it every day, every meal. All my family loves this oil. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.